Everybody is always looking for the next big thing. And there is a new industry that some of the biggest companies in the world are betting big on. The likes of Bill Gates and Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Intel, Vanguard, even Cathy Wood's ARK Invest. But one of my favorites, Palantir Technologies, is also betting on this exciting new industry, and it's not what you think. EVs may have been the hottest investment of 2023, but the big data giant has its sights set on EV 2.0.
Palantir recently reported a 7% stake in an electric aviation stock pioneering an innovative technology set to transform our daily lives.
I want to thank Surfair Mobility for kindly sponsoring this video. It's been an intriguing company to analyze. But before we get into it, if you find any value in this video, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 300 likes on this video. Help me achieve that goal. For anyone that's new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. And remember to answer the question at the end of this video. Now, let's get straight into it. Surfair Mobility is an LA-based electric aviation and air travel company expanding the category of regional EV air travel through electrification. They are building a regional air mobility ecosystem that will aim to sustainably connect the world's communities, and believe that bringing electric aircraft to the market at scale will substantially reduce the cost and environmental impact of regional flying. Surfair Mobility intends to develop powertrain technology with its commercial partners to electrify existing fleets and bring electrified aircraft to the market at scale. So in effect, Surfair are trying to bring the EV market into the sky with EV planes. Looking at the most recent investors presentation, it's clear that Surfair aims to be the first fully commercialized green regional air travel company. They feel that electric airplanes will unlock a new mass transit solution and replace long drives and overcrowded airports. Now ask yourself this. How many times have you spent hours just to get a short flight? Like, be honest. Flying tends to be a pain. The lengthy travel time to and from the major airports, then large crowds, long check-in wait times, security screening, overcrowded cabins, delays and cancellations. The issues can seem never-ending, and the experience is inconsistent at best. I've read that approximately 20% of all US flights are now either being delayed or even cancelled. So even after you've gone through the hassle of getting to the airport, maybe 2 or 3 hours prior to departure, your flight still isn't guaranteed. According to NASA back in 2021, regional air mobility will fundamentally change how we travel by bringing the convenience, speed, and safety of air travel to all Americans, regardless of their proximity to a travel hub or urban center. And this is expected to become a $115 billion market by 2035. Surfair have a whole host of partnerships already signed with several major companies. One that will be familiar to retail investors here is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. So Palantir is a retail investor favorite, especially over the past year, with the stock up over 220% since the beginning of last year.
Palantir has partnered with Surfair.
Back in February of this year, Palantir disclosed a 7.1% stake in Surfair Mobility. But they also have partnerships with other major companies too. There is a strategic partnership with Textron Aviation, a titan in general aviation manufacturing. Surfair isn't just building electric planes from scratch.
They plan to ingeniously retrofit proven aircraft with cutting-edge electric engines once certified, while also developing the powertrains.
This company is onto something big, and it's only a matter of time before the broader market takes notice. It's no surprise analysts at Canaccord and Bernstein foresee substantial growth potential for this company in 2024, which I'll talk a little bit more about in a moment. In recent months, they have also signed agreements to supply electric powertrains to Auric Air and an agreement with Electra Aero to bring eSTOL aircraft to the market. Surfair have a strong leadership team with highly experienced people coming in from major airlines such as Delta, Virgin, and United Airlines, and they now own the largest commuter airline in the US by scheduled departures. As I said already, it's estimated that the EV plane market will have a total addressable market of over $100 billion within the next 10 years. What catches my attention here is that Surfair has a very low valuation when compared to most of its peers. As we can see here, some of these companies are heavily backed to by major investors, such as Archer Aviation being backed by Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, or Joby Aviation, which is backed by Intel and Vanguard. There is 3 Wall Street analysts covering Surfair stock, and we can see here that the consensus price target is $2.41, with a high forecast of 4 and a low forecast of 1. This average price target implies upside of 616% from the current price of just 34 cents. The most recent of these ratings was set this month. Canaccord reaffirmed their rating and have a $1 price target on the stock. Now, although this is down from their prior price target of $2.50, Canaccord Group's price indicates a potential upside of 151% from the stock's current price. This article was published only a few days ago. 3 electric aviation stocks to own before eVTOL really takes off. This lists 3 groundbreaking electric aviation stocks to buy that are set to revolutionize how we travel. These companies are at the forefront in transportation, developing cutting-edge technologies to transform the aviation industry as we know it. As it says here, while the road to widespread adoption of electric aircraft is not without challenges, early investors could see substantial returns. Many currently have low valuations and small market caps, making them an attractive option as electric aviation stocks to buy for investors with a high risk tolerance and long-term investment horizon. Going through the list, we have Joby Aviation, which we've already seen is backed by Intel and Vanguard, and of course Archer Aviation, which is backed by Cathie Wood's ARK Invest. And then we have Surfair Mobility. Surfair is expanding its reach in electric aviation with a focus on regional air mobility. The partnership with Electra emphasizes the hybrid electric capabilities of the eVTOL aircraft, which require as little as 150 feet to take off and land. This capability is ideal for operations at smaller regional airports and new advanced air mobility infrastructure. Surfair is approaching this niche market well and could be an alternative to Joby or Archer as one of the electric aviation stocks to own. But what do you think? Let me know your thoughts on Surfair Mobility and the eVTOL industry in the comments below. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so I highly recommend you do more due diligence on Surfair Mobility. But at this price, it's not one that you want to miss. To learn more about Surfair, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.